In the last session, we have seen how to create a simple Spring Boot application. And in this session, we're going to see how to upload our application to the GitHub repository. Basically, GitHub is a source code repository where all the source code, where we can upload our source code for free, and so that we can access it from anywhere. Let me create a new project. This is a public project I wanted to create. Oh, sorry. I don't want to create a new project. I'll create a new repository. So I would just name it with demo public. I'm creating a repository. Okay, now there are a set of commands. We have to follow this. I'll open a console for it. Downloads. CD demo Spring Boot project. ls. The project is there. I wanted to upload this entire project from this location. Into the Git repository. For that, I see the commands here. We can follow this. Git init, that is the first line there. Git add star, instead of readme.md, I'm giving star so that all my files will be uploaded. I wanted to add a git ignore folder there. That I can do it from here. Git ignore dot git this already exists. Okay. Oh, very good. Git ignore file was already created by Spring in the boilerplate code, so I need not add it because the reason why I'm saying we have to add it manually was earlier. We don't want the target folder that was created. Target folder is a when we do the Maven build, and this target folder is created where all the final build files will be there. But we don't want that to be there in the Git repository. And there are a few commands. Let us see what they are. Git commit -m first commit, and I'll copy this. Git these two lines. Okay, now all these files are uploaded into Git repository. You see that all the files are uploaded into Git repository now. Now we can refresh the project here. Refresh, share project, and it shows that because there is a .git folder created in the workspace when we did git init earlier. I'll show you that folder here. This is the project, and .git is the new folder that is created when we did git init. In this command line, the first command we executed was git init. After this, when we execute this, a git folder is created. Because that is there, we can link that to, we can directly link STS to the Git repository. So I'll click finish. Now all these folders are linked to Git repository now. We can ignore the files that we don't want to be added into the Git repository. So I ignored some of them. So let's see. See, there is a greater than symbol. That means some change is there in the system. Teen commit. Let's see what is the difference. Okay, This file was not added to Git repository. We're going to add that. Now it is staged here. For the first time, we did the commit through the command line, and from the second time onwards, we are doing it through STS. Here, what I have done is right click, team, commit. That means we can commit it to Git repository. And this .git ignore is the only file that is updated. Now I'll give commit message, added, updated git ignore file, and commit and push. Now that is pushed to that source code, and I can close this. Let us see here if the change is reflected here or not. See, updated git ignore file. This is the commit message we gave last time. And also we can see the history. Yeah, we can see 2 commits here. Let us see what they are. First commit and updated git ignore files. And these are the 2 files that are updated.